balls. Are you in for that? We got a little basketball. So Joe, it's one beat. So every time we come back to this, you take it at your level. If you need to cruise, you do that. All yours. Now we're going to start. We're going to do 3 rounds. You get to pull back and work the fitness as you lift up. First move, knee lift, hands on hips. Pull yourself tall. Single knee, go, lift. Now have a look. My knee is straight out from my hip. Now not a bounce, or you can jump with us. You ready for a little more? Arm straight from the hip. Punch it out. Go. That's it. Now you should feel incredibly tall here. Now start to lift your posture. Drive right up the crown of your head. New move. Drop squat. Get low and bounce. Drop the arm. That's going to hit your chest really high. Great stuff. Who would like to go a little faster? Single go. Now turn your knees and toes out. Try grounding your heels for safety. New move. Step and jump. Feet hip distance. Arms flick. Bend your knees to jump. Bend your knees to land. You got it. Like to shoot some hoop? Go. Now this is fantastic for toning your legs, working your fitness, and just generally looking hot. Round 1, start. Jog it out. How you doing? Okay. Round 2. Pull back. Single knee. You can keep your feet on the ground, or you can jump with me. That's it. Now don't go too crazy. We got a wee ways to go. Ready to drive? With power. Dynamite. We're heading to the satellites. Can you take your butt to the ground? Drop squat. Go. Feel the difference. This is toning. This is heart rate. You got it. Tempo. Quicker. Go. Come on, shut the front door. Feet together. Look straight. Changes coming. Step and jump. Use the natural swing to lift your body up. Get down to get high. Feel the athlete trying to come out. Nothing but net. Now I want you to think about your favourite all-time b-ball player. I'm a Chi-Town girl. It's MJ all the way, baby. Done. Are we cool? Are we cool? Round 3. Knees. Ease back. Look cool. So pick your level. So you should feel the charge of the heart rate. And up we go. Go. So start to engage your core. Start to lift up. Contrast this feeling with that feeling. Get low. Woo. Come on guys, talk your power through. We're gonna blow your mind. We gotta go a little local. Single. No, I know it's challenging. This is where it's important that you hang on. Last round, last set. Step jump. Now, got a little scenario for you. It is the last quarter. There's 15 seconds on the clock. We're in the final. The championship. Start to shoot. It's going to take a slam dunk to win. Are you ready? Go! Woo!
How can you not fall in love with fitness?